Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! In today's video, I will be making 3 wood Christmas trees using these cute little ornaments that I got from Micheals. These little ornaments were only 99 cents, and I could not get them. They were just so stinking cute. I removed the twine hangers and the sticker from all the Christmas trees. I lightly sanded the trees with a sanding block. For the first tree, I used a hot glue gun and glued the tree to a Dollar Tree tumbling tower block. After the tree had set up, I stained it using Waverly wax. I just love the little indentions in the tree. I stained all sides, including the tumbling block. I then wiped off the wax using a paper towel. I wanted to give the tree more of a rustic farmhouse look, so I used a couple of layers of white chalk paint and painted just the tree on the front and the back. I didn't paint the star on top or the trunk at the bottom. After the paint had dried, I used my sanding block to give the paint a worn look. I just sanded it until I liked the way it looked. I then lightly sprayed the tree with rubbing alcohol and wiped it clean with a paper towel. I use rubbing alcohol because it dries faster than water. After letting the alcohol evaporate a little, I added Mod Podge to the entire tree to give it more of a finished look. I love the way this tree turned out. I just can't decide if I like the front or the back better. Let me know in the comments which side you like. For this little Christmas tree, I used scrapbook paper with a Christmas design. I stained the front of the tree with Waverly wax, and on the back, the smooth side, I only stained the star and the trunk. I applied Mod Podge to the tree and pressed down on the paper to make sure all the bubbles were smoothed out. I took my scissors and trimmed the paper from the side of the tree. I wanted the scrapbook paper only on the smooth side of the tree. After everything was trimmed, I went back with Mod Podge and glued down any of the areas that were sticking up or not glued down well. I thought the scrapbook paper was a little too new looking, so I applied a light layer of Waverly Stain to give it more of an aged look. I then hot glued a Tumbling Towers block to the bottom as the base and stained it. I finished the tree off with a layer of Mod Podge for a finished look. For this tree, I used a wood slice as the base and hot glued the tree to it. I should have waited until I was finished with the tree on this one. The base made it a little harder to apply the paper. I traced around the tree and cut out the paper to the size of the tree. I applied Mod Podge to the back of the tree and added the paper. I pressed it down to make sure there wasn't any bubbles. I thought the paper was a little too new looking, so I used Waverly Stain and stained the entire tree, including the paper. I also stained the base. I think next time I will leave the base natural. It just turned out too dark. These little Christmas trees turned out so stinking cute. I just wish Micheals would have had more than 3 of them. This is a simple DIY with a big impact. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more Christmas decor and gift ideas in the upcoming weeks, and you know you don't want to miss those. To be notified when I upload a video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.